Hello everyone and welcome to PC Tips Pro. Do you want to make a professional commercial ad without a camera crew or actors? Then in this video, I'll show you how to create a stunning high quality commercial using just AI tools. So from script writing to video creation, I'll teach you all. So here's what we'll cover in this video. Firstly, how to write a killer ad script with AI. Second, how to generate voiceovers and visuals. And third, how to put everything together into a polished video. And you don't need any editing or design skills for that. We'll do all that with just the help of AI tools. So the AI tools that we'll be using in this video are ChatGPT for script writing, ElevenLabs for realistic voiceovers, and Pictory.ai for AI video creation. So the first step is to generate the ad script. And to get started, just open ChatGPT and give it a prompt related to your commercial, like write a 30-second commercial script for a natural skincare brand targeting women aged 25 to 40. And within seconds, you'll get a catchy, emotional, and persuasive ad copy. Now you can go ahead and ask ChatGPT to make it more humorous or dramatic depending on your product vibe. So once your script is created, just go ahead and copy that. And after this, we will head to our second step, which is to create a voiceover with AI. And for that, you would need to head over to ElevenLabs.com. Now in the text to speech option, you can go ahead and paste in your text, and from here choose your voiceovers. And then from here, you can choose whichever voice you'd like to put. So once you're done with that, you can click on generate speech and preview your audio. Now if you want a deep dive into the features of ElevenLabs, then I have made a video for that. So you can just click on the link that I've provided here and just check that video out. So once you're done creating your voiceover, just go ahead and download it. Once you've downloaded your audio, you can go ahead and check that in to your file explorer. So once you've downloaded your voiceover, now the next step is to create the actual video. And for that, we will be using Pictory.ai. So just go ahead and search for Pictory.ai in your Chrome browser and you'll arrive somewhere here. And if you just click on get started for free and then just sign up with your Google account, then this is the interface where you will arrive. And from here you have all these options. So just click on text to video option and you will be taken here. So just go ahead and add in your text here. Now here, as you can see, you have the AI option. So if you just click on start with an idea, here you would need to paste in your text. So if you just paste your text here and then choose your platform and then the length of your video, and from here just choose the video type and then just click on generate script. So once you're done with your script, from here you can choose your aspect ratio, and once you're done choosing that, just click on generate video and here it will start preparing your video. So here, as you can see, your video is created and this is your preview page. So from here you can go ahead and make all of your changes. So if you just click on this voice button, from here you can upload voiceovers, record voiceovers, and even change your voiceovers. If you do not have a voiceover and just want to add any AI voiceover, then you can go here and choose on the add AI voiceover, and Pictory.ai will create a voiceover for you. So once you're done editing your video, if you just download that, your video will arrive at your file explorer and from here you can view your video. Now the thing is, in the free plan, you can only download the video with the watermark. So if you're okay with the watermark, just go ahead and download it. But if you want to do it more professionally, then you can buy its premium plan and download the video without the watermark. So now once your video is finally created, you can go ahead and add in logo, product images, and even text overlays like buy now, limited offer, or even your website link by just using Canva. So once you're done with the branding and visuals, just export your ad in HD and post it to YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, or run it as a paid ad. So well, that's it. That is how you create a stunning commercial ad using only AI tools. No cameras, no actors, and no editing skills required. So if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and please do not forget to subscribe to PC Tips Pro for more useful tech tips. Also, if you have any queries regarding this video, do make sure to put them in the comments box below. Thank you and have a nice day.